Hello and welcome to this particular video. Now this is specifically for the humanities stream students. Now if you are watching this video, you must be someone who have already joined our IMA Edexcel WhatsApp community and you would have already taken part in our free opening seminar, and this video is specifically to clarify some of the doubts you have. Right, so first let's take a look at the timetable. Now law will be from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. There's only one class. First we'll finish AS and then we'll move on to A2. But psychology and English literature, you have AS and A2 happening simultaneously if you want to join. Psychology, Wednesdays 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. would be your AS class, and for A2, Wednesdays 6:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. While English literature, AS Tuesday 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and A2 is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. on Tuesdays. Now, if you took part in the opening seminar, which we had on the 16th Friday, January, you know that the first week of classes you get free access. On 17th Saturday, you have the first low class, which is the introductory session, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And then you have your English literature first opening class on Tuesdays, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. as well as your psychology introduction class at 6 p.m. on Wednesdays. Now, after the 23rd, the classes will be happening paid, so you have to pay and enroll to the classes after that. Meanwhile, the commerce timetable, all three subjects simultaneously AS and A2 classes are happening. For accounting, the Thursdays will be your AS class, that will be from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. A2 class will be on Sundays 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. And business studies AS is on Tuesday 8:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. and A2 from 8:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. on Monday. And economics, AS Sundays 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and A2 would be Sundays 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. itself. Similarly, humanities subjects, after the 16th of opening seminar, 17th you will have your accounting introduction session. So that will be free access, and then on Sunday you have the economics introductory session, and then on 19th Monday you have the business studies introduction session. So all these classes are free access for you, and as usual after the 24th you have to make the payment and enroll, and after that we will be switching to our usual timetable as I explained before. As for the science stream, your introduction class would be on Saturday 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. That is your free class that you have access to without making a payment, and after that you will continuously have physics classes on Saturdays. As you can see, 24th onwards you have to make the payment and enroll. Now, speaking of making the payment and enrolling to the class, there are two different payment methods available for you. One is the full payment method, where you make the entire payment for the whole course upfront, which means that for the rest of the course that you don't have to make any payments, updates, and you will have uninterrupted access to all the material, all the recordings and all the Zoom links. Or else, if that's difficult for you, you also have the monthly payment system, which means that you can make the payment in each month and update your access to the IMA website. If you are making the monthly payments for humanities, per subject you will be paying 11,000, that is for law, psychology and English literature. Commerce stream, that per subject you will be paying 13,500, that is economics, business studies and accounting. Science stream, for physics you will be paying 16,500 per month. So when you make the payment, you would get all the study material through the IMA website as PDFs. If not, if you want to try the full payment method for humanities, since the psychology and English literature classes are going on for 11 months, you have the option of making the full payment that goes on for 11 months. So you will be paying 109,000 per subject. Now, if you are making the monthly payments at the end of 11 months, you will be paying 121,000, which means if you make the full payment, you get a benefit of 12,000 rupees. If you are going with the commerce stream for 8 months, 13,500 into 8 months, you will be paying ideally you would be paying 108,000, but if you are making the full payment, you only have to pay 99,000 per subject, which is a benefit of 9,000 rupees. When moving on to the science stream, if you are going with the science stream for physics, you will be paying 16,500 per month. For at the end of the 8 months, you will be paying 132,000 in total. But of course, if you are making the full payment, you only have to pay 120,000, which is a benefit of 12,000 rupees. So these prices that we mentioned, they are for either for AS or A2. If you are intending to get AS and A2 done simultaneously at the same time, you have to make two of those payments. You can make the payments from any of these bank accounts, whatever that is convenient for you. If you go with the monthly payment, you have to make the payment and upload the slip to our website, where you would get the access to the website through your portal, where you will have access to your Zoom link, recordings and all the materials. If you make monthly payments, you have to make the payment and upload the slip every month and update your access. But if you make the full payment until you complete the course, you will have unlimited access to your account without any interruptions. Hope this clarifies your doubts about the timetable and the payment methods. So hoping to see you guys in our classes. Looking forward to work with you all and ace the Edexcel exam.